All right, we've got a major update to Heartbeat. First, you're going to want to come into your WAD dashboard, click on Heartbeat, then come over here to downloads, click download. It's actually going to be an exe file, a Windows file. So we're going to want to come here and click download suspicious file because it just doesn't trust it yet. And then we're going to go into our downloads folder and we're going to click it and run it. So we're going to go to more info, run anyway. And it's going to pop up. Do you want to create this window or this folder, FLB Heartbeat? Yes, you do. And then we want to install it. Now there's two things going to happen. It's going to launch the Windows application. Okay. And then it's going to install the add-on into your NinjaTrader for you. So what we want to do next is open up NinjaTrader because it's telling us we're waiting for the license detected but not reported. Log into our NinjaTrader here, have it pop up. Going to ask you, do you want to install the add-on Heartbeat? Yes, you do. And now NinjaTrader is going to open up. Heartbeat will open, and I'm going to explain to you what these two things are. Now, Heartbeat is going to detect your accounts that you have auto-connected. Right here, it's going to show Lucid as the prop firm. It's going to show 2 accounts, 1 SIM, and then it's got a it's going to show up with master enable, market hours filter turned on, and Heartbeat turned on, and it's going to monitor asset you have in here. It's just going to monitor both of those. Okay. You just witnessed this thing working. It just enabled those strategies for us down there, but this is going to reconnect your accounts if they disconnect for you, right? So we're going to click disconnect. Yes, we want to disconnect those accounts. Oh, you know what? Market is closed. So it's not going to reconnect the account when the market is closed. That's the thing. So it doesn't cycle 3 times trying to do it. So we'll have to manually enable it. You'll have to just believe me that this works. Anyways, and then now you're going to see the strategy enabler over here is going to pick up these strategies that should be enabled. Auto enable is turned on, and you're going to see it attempt to enable the strategies that are open in the strategies tab down there. And there's the first one right there. So it has enabled it. And as you can see on the chart, it actually did enable. It's not just clicking and doing nothing. You see there's actually a connection, and then it'll go for the next one and enable that as well. You'll see it doesn't matter if there's anything in front of it, it's going to do it anyways. And there you go. Now both strategies are enabled. So this one right here is keeping your accounts connected. And this one right here will enable the strategies once the accounts are connected and they talk to each other. All right. If you have any questions, let me know.